Today I have a super cool word for you.
Wow, really? What is it?
Sigma.
In mind. What?
Can you say Sigma?
Oh my God, no.
My family crashed into a car and we fly to our home.
Oh no. Oh no. La 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 la.
Hello, Missy.
Let's play Missy.
My name is not Missy. What was that?